Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn social science of class 5th. Major landforms, chapter 5. What is landform? The surface of the land is not the same everywhere. In some places there are mountains and else there are rivers. These various features formed on the earth are termed as landforms. Major landforms on the earth. The major landforms found on the earth are mountain, plains, plateaus, rivers, and deserts. Let's begin with mountains. What is mountain? Mountains are large landforms. They arise more than 900 meters above the ground at sea levels. Let's see the examples of mountains. There are Aravalli Hills, Appalachian Mountains, Himalayas, Andes, Rockies, etc. Why mountains are important? Mountains are important because it attracts large number of tourists because of its beauty and pleasant weather. High mountains act as a natural barrier against hot and cold winds. The slope of mountains provide the rich pasture and agricultural lands. The lower part of mountains are rich in flora and fauna. Rivers originated in mountainous region and provide water for irrigation. Mountains are rich in natural resources like minerals and forests. Plateaus. A plateau or tableland arises sharply above its surroundings and has steep slopes. The Tibet Plateau is the largest plateau in the world. Examples of plateaus are Deccan Plateau, Chotanagpur Plateau, Colorado Plateau, Bolivian Plateau, etc. Why plateaus are important? Several rivers flow through plateau regions. Narrow valleys are found when river water cuts through plateau. Plateau covered with grassland for grazing and rearing sheep and cattle. Some plateaus have rich mineral deposit, whereas some plateaus like Grand Canyon of Colorado River is unique and its beautiful feature attracts tourists. Plains. Plains or lowlands are flat and level lands extending for thousands of kilometers. They are formed by the slate deposit of sand and slate form rivers. Example of plain is Northern Plain. Why plains are important? Plains basically suitable for agriculture as many rivers flow through them. Many ancient civilizations came up on the banks of rivers such as the Indus Valley civilization. As many towns and cities are located in the plain, they are thickly populated. Transport and communications are well developed in plains as it is easier to construct roads, airport and canal system in these areas. Rivers. Rivers are natural channels carrying water from the mountains and rain water. It starts as a small stream in the mountains and joins other rivers to flow into the sea or ocean. Stages of rivers. River passes through three stages: upper course, middle course, and lower course. Deserts. Deserts are sandy areas where there is no water or very little water. They get scanty rainfall. They are either covered with snow or sand. Examples of deserts are Sahara Desert in Africa, Thar Desert in India, Antarctica, and Atacama Desert in South Africa. Importance of desert. Deserts, because the dry condition of deserts helps promote the formation and concentration of some important minerals such as gypsum, borates, nitrates, potassium, etc. These deserts are also home to a vast variety of plants and animals which have adapted to their harsh habitats. Early deposits are also found under many deserts. Some deserts have been developed as tourist centers nowadays. Thank you. That's all for today. Have a good day. Have a nice day.